Hey guys, welcome back to Miss Shane's Shorty Recipes. Thanks again, you guys, for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. Merry COOKMAS Day 6. We almost have a full week under our belt. Again, thank you guys so much for continuing to support me throughout this COOKMAS. You don't know how much it means to me to have all you guys support. I really do appreciate it. For today's recipe, we're going to go ahead and make a quick little side dish. We're going to go ahead and make some red beans and rice. Now, I've seen a few people do the red beans and rice here recently. I saw actually Pelmer's cast iron skillet recipes do this, and his recipe was delightful. You guys make sure you go check it out. But this recipe is going to be just a little bit simpler than that. Only calls for a few ingredients, and it's still going to give you that delicious red beans and rice flavor. In this case, it's actually going to be a little bit more like the POPEYE'S style red beans and rice. So if you're a fan of their red beans and rice, you're definitely going to enjoy this recipe. So if you guys are ready to get things started, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Share this video out. Definitely appreciate that. And if you still are not subscribed, pretty please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video, especially during COOKMAS. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so here's the finished product. This is a quick and easy red beans and rice recipe. Again, quick and easy. Of course, there's a lot of other recipes that require a little bit more love, but this one still tastes good with less the work. So hopefully you guys did enjoy this recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me that comment down below. Share this video out. Appreciate that. And if you are not subscribed, go ahead, hit that subscribe button and that bell so you can be notified that every time I drop a new video, especially during COOKMAS. You guys, thanks for watching and take care. Bye, guys.